Do you need a roof replacement in Erie, Colorado? Look no further than Denny's Roofing, LLC. With years of experience serving residential and commercial customers in the area, we're the team you can trust for all your roofing needs. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we understand that roofing work can be stressful and overwhelming. That's why we're committed to making the process smooth and stress-free. Our team of roofing experts will work with you every step of the way, from initial consultation to final cleanup, to ensure you're completely satisfied with the results. Whether you need a full roof replacement or just minor repairs, we have the skills and expertise to do the job right. We offer a variety of roofing materials to suit your needs, including composition asphalt shingles, flat roofs, tile roofs, and metal roofing. We can also install skylights, solar panels, and other roofing accessories to enhance the look and functionality of your roof. We pride ourselves on our attention to detail, clear communication, and prompt, professional service. And with our 5-star service guarantee, you can be assured of getting the best possible experience. Contact us today at 970-808-0247, and our roofing experts will answer your questions to help you find the right roofing solution. You can also visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/erie-roofing-company to learn more about our services. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, experience the difference, and let us help you start your roofing project.